Welcome back to BezReviews, where we break down the latest kitchen tech. Today, we're diving into the Typhur Sync Smart Air Fryer, an 8-quart appliance promising precision cooking with its integrated wireless meat thermometer and AI features. This unit aims to simplify meal prep for busy households. First up, let's look at how the Typhur Sync performs in smart cooking. The integrated wireless meat probe is a standout feature, allowing for real-time temperature monitoring and perfect cooking results every time. With 9 cooking modes, including a specialized 2-stage whole chicken option, this air fryer handles everything from dehydrating to roasting. The generous 8-quart square basket easily accommodates a 6-pound chicken, and its whisper-quiet operation is a welcome change for busy. Overall, the Typhur Sync really impresses with its cutting-edge smart features and large capacity, all while. Next, let's evaluate the practical aspects of owning and using the Typhur Sync. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the non-toxic ceramic basket, grill plate, and even the wireless probe being completely dishwasher. The free Typhur app brings smart controls, AI recipe generation, and cooking notifications directly to your phone, enhancing the overall. At $159, the Typhur Sync delivers significant innovation and a large feature set that provides solid value compared to more. While a 1-year warranty provides standard protection, the reliance on app stability and the unusually distant release date could raise. With strong smart control and effortless cleaning, this unit enhances daily use, offering good value despite. The Typhur Sync Smart Air Fryer sets a new bar for convenience and precision in home cooking. Its integrated wireless probe and AI recipe generation truly differentiate it, making complex meals more approachable.